Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a Jafra haul. Now I don't have a lot of products, but I wanted to kind of come on here and do a quick kind of little Jafra haul. So the first product that I want to mention is something that I've shown before on my channel. This is the Jafra Royal Jelly Boost Micellar Cleansing Water. I love using this right before makeup, and I wanted to have a backup so that when I'm done with my current one, that I can use this one. Okay, what next? Next, I haven't even opened it yet. Well, I did kind of peek into it, but I didn't take it out of its packaging. This is the Jafra Precious Protein Extra Care Balm. This is for dry skin, and I didn't know it was for dry skin before I bought it. I know, and it's really hard to open. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a balm. Oh, no, there's a plastic thing on it. I was like, oh yeah, never mind. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna keep it in its packaging. Okay. Next, we have my Jafra Spa Ginger and Sea Salt Body Rub or Body Scrub. I love this. I used it last night, and it's amazing. I absolutely love it. You definitely do have to kind of mix it up before using it. I really like it right now. It's very, I just like there's product on the side of it. Okay, next is a new eye cream that I got since I'm out of my current one. This is the Jafra Royal Jelly Revitalize Longevity Eye Cream. This is my first time using it today. I really do really like this eye cream. It's really nice. Next is another product that I used this morning when doing my skincare routine. This is the Jafra Beauty Dynamics Microdermabrasion Cream with jojoba beads. This exfoliator is so nice. It reminds me of poppy seed cookie dough. Just what the balm looks like. I can try to focus it. That's what it looks like. And it totally reminds me of that cookie dough. Okay, next we're gonna go on to some lip products. So this is the Jafra prebiotic lip oil. This one is in Love Potion. I'm going to swatch it for you because I love the applicator for it. It's so cool. I love this shade. It's so nice. Okay, next we have actually two liquid lipsticks that were free. This is the Jafra Matte Liquid Matte Lipstick in XO Kiss and Goodnight Kiss. I'm not going to swatch these because these do stain, so I'm not going to, but they're so nice. I love them. And another product that I sometimes mention on my channel, this is the Jafra Cream Concealer in Light. I love this concealer. It's one of my favorites. I'm not wearing it today, but I did want to mention it because it's a good one. Now I wanted a liquid eyeshadow. I found this one on Jafra's website. This is the Jafra liquid eyeshadow in Rose All Day. Yeah, Rose All Day. I think it's so pretty. That's what it looks like there. It's so pretty. I love it. Then we have a new eyeliner. My IL Mackage eyeliner pretty much just ran out, so I wanted to get a new one. This is the Jafra Power Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Black. And it's a felt tip, which I really like. Ooh, I didn't swatch it yet, and that is really nice. Last but not least is probably my favorite product that I got from Jafra, and this is another free gift. And when I opened it, like everything was kind of hot, so things might have exploded, and some product came out of it, which is fine, but I still have a good amount of it. So this is what it is. This is a huge tub, and I absolutely love it. This is the Jafra Gold Dynamics Recover Skin Boosting Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen. I love this. It's amazing. You can tell it like really got everywhere. Okay, so that was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!